Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as of course the ransomware is still a big thing. Ransomware is still on the rise. A few pointers before, and also some tools that maybe could save your files. So ransomware is of course a way of encrypting your files by malware so that you can't see anything anymore, and you need a special key to decrypt, and often in exchange for money. So of course these guys, the hackers behind these and the groups behind these, are there to make tons of money. The number one way to get ransomware is by email, and of course number two, by going to shady websites that ask you to download fake and cleaners and fake video players and so on. So if you avoid clicking on everything you see in your email attachments, if you avoid going to shady websites, you're pretty much okay, and people will not, it's true with all malware and all types of viruses. If you do get bitten, or if you have somebody that you know that gets bitten, I'm sharing a website that once again is really the number one place to go to see if something can be done about it. If it's an old ransomware encryption, it might be actually possible to decrypt. If it's brand new, you might not have a tool immediately, but keep the files, keep the stuff. It might actually arrive at some point on this page. So this is nomoreransom.org. It's a non-profit. It is many security companies together working hand in hand to bring you the tools for a ransomware that encrypted your files. One of the things you could do if you do get ransomware is use their Crypto Sheriff, which will ask you to choose a file from the PC and choose a second file from the PC. And if you have any email or URL or anything that they talk about, you post it here on the ransom demand. And finally, you can also upload a text file that has the ransom demand, and just click Go Find Out. It will actually not only identify what type of crypto and what type of ransomware it is, but it might even tell you that there's a tool to do it, to fix this on the website. Or else, on the bottom here, you have Decryption Tools that you can actually download. So there is an update to these tools all the time. So depending on the type of ransomware that you might know, go and check out. It's by alphabetical order. You might have a tool that will decrypt your files, hopefully. Of course, there's also some information, ransomware questions and answers, prevention advice, and so on. It is a great site in case or if you are bitten by ransomware on a computer. So I'll share the link to this page in the description below. It is one of the must-have pages, just in case that you did something wrong and you got bitten. At least you've got some help and maybe some possibilities of having a decryption tool that will work to bring your files back to life. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.